This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
I just love walking down by the Brown River. I really do. It is so peaceful, so nice, although not quite so peaceful at the moment because I don't know whether you can hear, but it is rush hour. It is 8 a.m. in the morning and everybody is up and off to work. So the road behind me, which is normally quite quiet, is quite busy with everybody going off and doing their daily chores. By the way, somebody has new sunglasses. I broke the last ones. What do you think? All right, I think they're children's ones. They were $1.60, and I put them on and went, oh, they fit me. They're not too big. And like, yeah, I think they're kids, but hey ho. Anyway, I'm going to carry on walking down by this beautiful river. Nice relaxing walk. Then I'm going to go back and grab some breakfast. So come on, let's go for a little wander. That's my bank just there, the ABA. And we're just headed down towards the van bar right now as well. I've literally only been there once since I've been back. I don't know whether that's me being good or bad, to be honest. All right, let's see if I can't get across this road without being nobbled. This is one of the apartments as well that I looked at when I was here last time. Trying out my new Insta360, but boy does this thing get heavy after you're holding it out in front of you for a while. I'm trying to do it incognito, but it's not working. Oh, it looks like, have they all gone home? This is the van bar just here. It looks like they've all gone home. Right, let's take you over to the riverfront again. How beautiful that is. Right, I'm going to have to change hands. I'm going to walk you down to the wheel because it is beautiful. There is the big wheel. It is so cool. Let's see if I can get you any closer so you can have a proper look. There you go. It actually looks more impressive further away, but there were steps there that you could climb up, but it looks like they have perished. Right, I am now going to head back across the bridge home for a cup of coffee and some eggs because my gas got connected yesterday, which is good. Which means I can now cook the eggs. I was trying to cook them in the air fryer and to be honest, it was absolutely pitiful. It wasn't good. I had to throw eggs in the bin. Anyway, where have you gone? There you are. I will see you soon.